Step inside Judge Raquel West's courtroom, where probation violations, felony charges, and trial delays collide. 3 defendants, 3 stories, and every second determines what happens next.
Mr. Parker, on Devonta Anderson. 2 cases. Good morning.
Anderson. Diamond and Anderson.
Is there any kind of agreement or?
Last time we went through some of the motion, he pled true to some of the, I think no, he didn't. Okay. To me, he found it.
Good morning. Are you Devonta Anderson? And Mr. Anderson, in cause number 23 DCCR 0288, there's a motion to revoke probation filed, and same in 23 DCCR 0290. And what is the announcement?
Your Honor, we don't have an agreement. I believe it's probably best to go through the motion.
Okay. Give me just a second to get those. Can you print the second one?
And I don't know if I have the amended one.
I don't see an amended one.
I don't know.
Okay, I thought we said a while ago.
I think we'll mix it up.
Okay. I'm good.
Give me just a second to get them both pulled up, printed out. Mr. Anderson, while we're waiting on those to print out, would you, best you can, raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? All right.
I think they're same violations in each case.
All right, thanks.
Yeah, looks like it. Yeah.
All right, and will your client waive the formal reading of the motions in each case? Mr. Anderson, in cause number 23, DCCR 0288, I have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation October 24th of 2023 for the second-degree felony offense of sexual assault of a child, and that was a 7-year deferred probation. Is that correct? And in cause number 23, DCCR 0290, I also have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation that same date, October 24th of 2023, for indecency with a child by sexual contact, a second-degree felony, and that was also a 7-year deferred probation. Is that correct? Each of these motions allege that you violated your probations. Count 1 in each motion alleges that you failed to report to the Jefferson County Probation Department by mail or online for the months of November and December of 2023, and then January, February, March, April, May, and August of 2024. And is that true or not true? Count 2 in each case alleges that you failed to work faithfully at suitable employment and provide verification of that. And is that true or not true? Count 3 in each case alleges that you failed to provide verification of performing your community service hours. Is that true or not true? It just says that you didn't give proof that you did your community service hours that were required. Did you do that?
I did some.
Okay, we'll just put a not true on that one. Count 4 alleges in each case that you failed to complete a substance abuse assessment and follow any recommended treatment plan. Is that true or not true? Count 5 in each case alleges that you provided urine samples April 23rd of 2024, August 13th of 2024, September 19th of 2024, November 25th of 2024, and December 5th of 2024, and then January 30th of 2025, that all tested positive for marijuana. And is that true or not true? Count 6 alleged that you failed to successfully complete an approved sex offender treatment program. Is that true or not true? Says that you were unsuccessfully discharged December 6th of 2024. Okay. Count 7 in each case alleged that you failed to submit to the polygraph examination as required December 6th of 2024. Is that true or not true? Count 8 in each case alleges that you failed to not enter a sexually oriented premises, in that you admitted to your Harris County officer that you went into an adult bookstore. Is that true or not true? I'm sorry? Not true? Count 9 in each case alleges that you failed to not use any online services, social media, or anything like that unless approved, in that you admitted to your Harris County officer that you accessed the internet without monitoring software. And is that true or not true? Count 8 alleges in each case that you're behind in your court-assessed fees. And is that true or not true? Did you enter your pleas of true in each case to counts 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9? Would you, Mr. Hoffpower,
Motion to amend that to 10 instead of number 8.
any objection to that?
Repeat that, Judge?
The number,
Oh, no,
it should be
okay,
number
yeah,
10,
I'm
and it
sorry,
says
yeah.
number 8. Any objection to him
No.
orally amending that? All right, so that, I'm gonna change that. In each case. Okay, so did you enter your pleas of true to those counts freely and voluntarily? And because those counts are actually true. All right, I'm going to find in each of your cases that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10.
Before we continue, make sure you subscribe. We cover real court cases with clean, easy breakdowns so you always understand what's happening.
Freely and voluntarily, find those counts true, find sufficient evidence in each case to find you guilty and revoke your probation. But
This is, has discussed it with me. Also.
Judge, I'm not ready from the defense end, Judge. I have a trial that's going to start Thursday. Supposed to pick a jury Thursday in the 496 in Harris County. Start testimony on Monday.
okay,
And I anticipate it is going. I don't see it being worked out.
okay. If for some reason it does not, can you be ready?
It would be tough, Judge. There was some additional information I did receive a couple of weeks ago. Well, it became available a couple of weeks ago. Was the rest of the autopsy reports and things would be taken.
Okay.
Right.
All right, so what I'll do is take that into consideration, and then if something changes, would you let me know on Thursday if for some reason that case works out?
Oh, I will, because actually I'm getting ready to head that way now for pretrial conference there as well.
Okay,
So
well, yeah,
I'll
so let us
you
know this afternoon. If something happens today and that's gonna go away, and then you would have all week to prepare, then we'll go ahead and I'll number it. Obviously, if you're getting ready for that other one, we'll reset it, but if I have to reset it, Mr. James will reset it as quickly as we can, so that we can get your case tried, okay? All right, yeah, just let us know this afternoon.
No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Maria Chavez?
That's, I'm sorry. Go
We'll
ahead.
reset it once we,
Okay,
being sentenced in the feds today.
okay,
So,
all right. Thank you. Traylon Martin, Mr. Parker?
He's refusing to sign the rejection.
He is gonna
He
sign?
refused to sign.
He
the
did,
rejection.
okay, we'll just go through.
He's-
Can I get a rejection, one of the printed ones, please, ma'am?
Luke.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Are you Traylon Martin?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Martin, in cause number 25 DCCR 0270, you're charged with the third-degree felony offense of obstruction or retaliation from January 29th of 2025. What that means is that if you go to trial and you're found guilty, the range of punishment would be between 2 years and up to 10 years in prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the offer that's been made?
2 years TDC judge.
And so the state has offered, if you want to enter a plea of guilty, a 2-year term in prison, which is the minimum. You have every right to reject that and have your case set for trial. But I want to make sure you understand what the possible consequences are and what your options are. And do you understand all of that?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you want to reject that offer and have your case set for trial, or do you want to take that offer?
Can I ask one simple question?
Sure.
I'm just trying to ask, I watched the video,
Uh-huh.
how the case started, and I was the one that was set up with it, sorry.
So that's what a jury's for. If you don't think you're guilty of what they're said, that
I mean,
Then-
I can't assault you if I'm already detained.
I don't need to know that. That's what a jury's for.
Yes.
Either you accept the plea agreement because you're guilty, and if you watch the information with your attorney, then you've seen everything the state has, and they'll present, and we can let a jury decide. I just want to make sure you understand what the consequences are and what your options are. Do you understand all of that?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
And, just for the record, I've explained this to him. I've shown him several different videos. Some of them are more relevant than others, and he indicates some things that there may be other videos out there that I don't know about. They're not there as far as discovery. He's indicated he wanted to hire Marsha Norman, and I told him that you can reject it. If you're not guilty, then don't plead guilty and reject it, and if you can still hire Marsha in the meantime.
Mr. Nichols, is there any other discovery that you anticipate?
I didn't see any in the file from Ms. Volpino, anything else, Your Honor.
Okay.
I know she made the offer. I know that he had got a reduction on the same charge a year ago, so I don't see any reason the offer would change. They did ask for probation this morning. I did not change Ms. Volpino's offer.
Okay. So, Mr. Martin, if you don't want to accept that offer and you want to plead not guilty, I need you to sign the plea bargain rejection so that I know that you and I have had this conversation.
Yes, ma'am. I just want to ask, I've been trying to get a job and work to see if I can, just see if it'll help me out with my time as a trustee.
Okay, none of that matters right now, okay? Because here's what we're not gonna do. We're not gonna put your case on the trial docket so that you think you can get some time under your belt, and then you're gonna plead guilty later, because after today, I won't accept this plea agreement. We don't put cases on the trial docket just to buy some time. Either you did it or you didn't do it, and if you didn't do it, then you can sign that and we'll get a jury to decide, but I don't want you to think you're gonna come back in here later and say, oh, I wanna take that deal, because it's not gonna happen.
Yeah.
All right?
Am I eligible for parole?
I don't know when you're eligible for parole. I don't know how much time you have.
I never had to do this. That's why I'm asking.
I know, and that's why Mr. Parker's, nobody knows when for sure you would become eligible for parole or if you would make your parole. We don't know that because that depends on other people, not us. I don't make that decision. Your attorney can't tell you that. He doesn't know. It just depends on.
I've explained to him how much time, based on what he's told me he has, and how much time I think he'll have to do before he's eligible. But again, I told him I can't guarantee that. But if you're not guilty, then don't sign it. You please reject
So
it.
it sounds like Mr. Parker's explained all this to you. So either you don't want to take the deal, you are not guilty, and let's go to trial, or you plead guilty and
I'm gonna go ahead on the sign.
sign what?
I'm not guilty.
You can't say you're not guilty and then sign for time. It doesn't work that way. Because what happens,
On an officer?
for obstruction, it's not assault on an officer.
Obstruction, retaliation.
It's obstruction or retaliation, which is different, and there are different elements of that offense than assault on a police officer. So Mr. Parker has gone over that with you. If you want him to explain it again, what specifically that is before, but you cannot come up here and say I'm guilty of something, or I'm not guilty, but I want to take the deal. If you didn't do it, you go to trial. If you did it,
I wanna go to trial.
okay, sign that for me, rejecting that plea offer then.
Okay, where?
Look, sir, pay attention, sign that.
Okay, where I got a hospital bill and I got evidence in the free world.
So real quick, hold on, before you go back. Mr. Parker has been appointed to represent you. With your permission, he handles a lot of cases for me as a court-appointed attorney. With your permission, I can release him and appoint another attorney who could begin preparation for trial a little quicker. Is that okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm going to appoint a new attorney today. They'll be out to see you very soon. Huh?
Can I pick one or y'all?
No, you're going to get whoever's next on our list. If you have whoever's next on the list.
You can hire whoever you want.
You can hire, if you have the funds to hire someone or your family wants to hire someone, they can do that. Otherwise, I'm appointing someone today so they can start getting ready, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can go back with the bailiff.
Thank you.
In today's hearings, Judge Raquel West managed 3 very different cases, each carrying major consequences for the defendants involved. First was the extensive case of Devon Anderson, whose 7-year deferred probation became unstable after numerous failures, including misreporting months, multiple positive drug tests, failure to complete sex offender treatment, and violating internet restrictions. His admissions led Judge West to find the violations true, and the court will now prepare for a full sentencing hearing. Next, we saw the case of Traylon Martin, charged with obstruction or retaliation. He was offered a 2-year minimum sentence, but insisted he was innocent. Judge West clarified the implications of rejecting the plea and ensured he understood parole uncertainties. Seeing his confusion, she appointed a new attorney so he could properly prepare for trial. Lastly, the courtroom addressed the scheduling concerns for Christopher Henry James. His trial was approaching quickly, but his lawyer's involvement in another county's trial made preparation difficult. Judge West balanced the situation, allowing for updates while keeping the case on track. These cases show how justice moves, one decision at a time, one defendant at a time. If you want more real courtroom content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More cases are coming.